Look at my two boys. There's my Greggy. Hi, Greggy. Oh, I love you, I do, Greggy. And there's Henry turning around. Do you love me too, Daddy? Oh, no, I do, Henry. I love all my boys. Hey? Look at these two handsome boys. Hey? How could anybody not love them faces? I don't know, Daddy. How could anyone not love these two faces? Hey, look at you, Greggy. Hey? Whoosh. Oi, Greggy. Love my boys, I do. This is the longest you've been on the tree for, Greggy. Hey? Do I dare dream of half an hour on the tree, Greggy? I want to get too optimistic, Daddy. You know what I'm like, I'll just decide to jump off. Daddy. Sure. Henry with his back to us. That's not your greatest angle there, Henry. Greggy. Right, let's go over and see how Harry. Who's you, Harry? Hey, is this your new favourite spot, is it now, Harry? It could be, Dad. I think it could turn into my new favourite spot, mate. Hey? Whoosh. Well, at least that wind's warm. If it was a cold wind, we wouldn't be out here at this time of day, would we? Would we, Harry? Hey? Yes. What, Wednesdays and Fridays are Daddy's busiest days. What you agree, do you, son?